To use secret mode in the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the tabs icon and then tap turn on secret mode. Here, a page contains with some explanation about what secret mode is. Scroll down the screen. Here you can enable or disable lock secret mode option for added security, so that you will need to enter the secret mode password or use your biometric each time you want to use secret mode. As the example, we will enable this option by tapping the switch until the switch turns blue. Tap start. Type a password to access your secret mode. As you can see in the screen, you are asked to create a password that contains at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. Tap continue. Re-enter the password to confirm it. If you like to be able to access the secret mode with your biometric, you can tap the radio button next to allow biometric to unlock secret mode. Tap OK. Now you are in the secret mode, where you can browse the web without leaving traces like history, cookies, or saved data. To exit from the secret mode, tap the tabs icon and then tap turn off secret mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.